trains are not running between 34th Street and Atlantic Avenue in either direction. F trains are running on the G line from 36th Street to Bergen Street in both directions. E trains are not running